In this video, we'll be covering how to reassign exams. On occasion, you'll go to view a patient's exams and notice, let's say for example, a bite wing is not there. But don't fret, what that usually means is that the exam was taken on another patient. So the recommendation would be to go back to your practice management calendar, look for the previous patient, and search for their name. View their exams, and there's that bite wing. So what I'll do is I'll select the bite wing, reassign with that purple button. Yes, I'm sure. I'll search for the correct patient name. Double click. Are you sure you want to do this? Yes. And then I'll go back home, search for that patient name, view his exam, and there's that bite wing correctly assigned to Frank. The reason why this happens sometimes is because the patient name of the previous patient was still open in our software. So what you want to do is make sure that after every exam, close out of the patient's name.